Well, got a new creation here for the Super C. I made a 3-point hitch adapter for it, basically. I'll show you what I had, so I can kind of dig it out. The guy we bought it from, he had took a quick attach hitch, 3-point hitch, and welded prongs on each side. And it worked alright, but it wasn't the best. It's not as good as an actual one. So I went and I cut out the prongs myself. I had some steel, the bar, just like this, and cut out the shape of prongs and whatnot. And then I welded it all up with this hinge on it. Welded a piece of channel iron in the middle and whatnot. Got the ends, welded them on. Originally had the ends welded here, and it was too close to the tractor, so when you hooked up like the lawnmower and you picked it up, the drive shaft was slid all the way in, so that wasn't gonna work. So I kind of figured out I needed to come out so that when the top link's about halfway out, that's where your hitch is. So I added about 8 inches to it. It might be a little long. If it is, I'll cut it back off, cut a little section out, and weld the ends back on. But for now, this will work. And then for the middle, for my adjustment, I originally was going to use turnbuckles, but they are kind of pricey. So instead, I bought these Category 0 top links, and I made up a little plate with a little stud on them and whatnot. So then I've now got my adjustment to go in and out with and whatnot. And this keeps it from swaying. So but it worked out pretty good. And then for the top link, the tractor has 2 holes in the side that are threaded, I guess for bolting on cultivators or whatnot. So I used them, cut this angle iron and all, and used it kind of based off of some I've seen online. I guess a kit one that you can get, but I pretty much made everything myself. Welded it up. Had to cut out to go around the belt pulley here. I didn't have, if it wasn't on here, or if I had a cap to cover the shaft of it, I would have taken it off and covered it, but I didn't. Anyway, I cut out around it and welded a piece back in it to make it a little stronger, just to be safe. It's probably a little excessive, but it shouldn't break or flex too much. But anyway, I think it turned out pretty good. Quite excited about it, and I hadn't just finished it yesterday, so I may make a video after this using it, and I kind of want to try it out myself. But anyway, it worked pretty good. If you have any questions or whatnot, just holler at me and I'll answer them about you. If maybe somebody can improve upon this and make one better than what I got, but I think it'll work so far. And also with this, you'll be able to hook up to the PTO on it with that other 3-point hitch, the quick attach, when the bar at the top, or the top part of it, was in the way, so you couldn't hook up like a mower to it and run it. But with this, I'll be able to do that. Let's see here, I'll try and slide the hitch out. Anyway, there's the prongs that I made. Basically what I did was I took like a 1/4-inch bit and drilled out each corner where it had and whatnot, and then like for here, I cut it all with a porter band, so kind of had to improvise on how to cut it, figure it out. But basically took it, cut out, like drilled 3 holes in this part right here, took a cold chisel, knocked that section out, then I could get the blade in there and cut this way and whatnot, and keep cutting and get it all cut out, and then do a little bit of grinding and get it smooth, looking good. It turned out pretty good. And same thing on that one there. Probably one thing I'd go back and change would I probably would have made my pins here a little bit bigger, just to have it a little bit more beefier, so it wouldn't be as likely to break. I don't think it will. I hope it won't. But if I make another one, or if these break, then I'll probably make them bigger, where they won't have as much give in them and whatnot.